In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss on Pepperstone MT4, MT5. A stop loss is a price level that automatically closes your trade if the market moves against you. It's one of the simplest and most important risk controls you can use. Whether you're on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, the process is nearly identical, so follow along on whichever platform you use. First, let's set a stop loss while opening a new trade. Open your MetaTrader platform and bring up the New Order window. You can click the New Order button or press F9 on your keyboard. In the order ticket, you'll see a field labeled Stop Loss. Type in the price where you want your trade to close if it goes against you. Then, confirm your direction with Buy or Sell to place the trade. For example, if you buy EURUSD at 1.2000 and set your stop loss at 1.1950, the platform will automatically close the trade if price falls to 1.1950, helping to limit your loss. A quick tip. For buy orders, the stop loss must be below your entry. For sell orders, it must be above. Also make sure you enter a full price level, not a pip distance, and match the correct number of decimal places for the instrument. If you forgot to add a stop loss when opening the position, you can add it afterward. Go to the Trade tab in the bottom panel to see your open positions. Find the trade you want to protect, right-click it, and choose Modify or Delete Order. In the Modification window, enter your desired stop loss price and click Modify to save. If you see a message that the level is too close, your stop loss may be within the platform's minimum distance from current price, so move it a little further away and try again. Double-check you've placed it on the correct side of the market before confirming. There's also a fast, visual way to set it directly on the chart. Open the chart of your active trade and look for the trade line. You can click and drag the SL line to the exact price you want. As you drag, you'll see the price update, and often the estimated loss in pips will display, which is helpful for precision. Release to set it, and confirm if prompted. Many traders prefer this method during active markets because it's quick and intuitive. Just be careful not to drag it to the wrong side of price. That's it. You can set a stop loss while placing a trade, add it afterward, or drag it on the chart for speed. Keep an eye on spreads and volatility, and remember that in fast markets, fills can differ slightly due to slippage. Manage risk first and trade with confidence.